Did you hear this incident right here where an expert scientist was killed in India because of some silly neighborhood argument? Well, that is why they say explore different countries, explore where you are respected the most. That is why in UAE they are giving out blue visas. If you know how to do farming, if you know how to do sustainable solutions to their projects, or you are an environmentalist, you will be given a 10-year residency program which is equal to the golden visa program. Golden visa, you'll have to invest 2 million dirhams to get that golden visa. If you are an environmentalist, you'll get 10-year residency program instantly. This is what UAE blue visa is about. Let's say a kid, when he or she cleans their room, is awarded by the parent. That's how it goes. UAE government is awarding anyone who can help make Dubai more sustainable and more environmental. This is a 10-year residency program. It started in May 2024 and by Feb 2025 they have given blue visas to the first 20 people. And then people having blue visas get a lot of individual benefits as well from the government of UAE. As UAE has a lot of funds available for it because it ranks 8th in the global ranking of environmental innovation funds. In case you want to apply or you want to get a try for this visa, do ping us, we'll help you sort it maybe. Only 12% of nations have such provisions of sustainable visas. UAE is just in the 17 nations who are promoting sustainability and inviting such people to hold base in their country. Who can apply? International organization members who are focused on sustainability and environment, environmental researchers and award winners, climate focused NGOs and environmental advocates, people who are always advocating for the environment like Greta Thunberg. The application process is pretty simple. You can just log on to this website of ICP and apply the form, or you can be nominated by some government agency. You can write to them and they'll nominate you. They have been giving real visas for this, as they gave to Dr. Amina, who developed a water purification system reducing contamination by 97%. Therefore, the Dubai government gave her blue visa to help in continuing the research in the Dubai's advanced laboratories. Also, the coastal engineers, you can Google this term, what does the coastal engineer means? They are facing job crisis. Because of the Dubai Blue Visa program, they'll get a lot of opportunities where they'll be investing their time in the flood protection in the coastal areas. As everyone says, the sea level is rising, so the islands that the Dubai is creating will submerge. But then they will obviously devise a way by inviting such experts. And they are not even aiming a lot of people to turn up for this. By 2030, they have an aim to convert 5,000 people from this blue visa program, and is always a better solution for the countries who have good brains but not the infrastructure because of the